Ashley from WTI, and this is the HahaGift Store Animal Balance game. It comes with 10 of these dinosaurs and also a black pedestal to balance them on. We really like this game a lot. It has solid wood pieces here and a variety of colors. It's a lot of fun to play with. My son and I play it together, and you can also use the dinosaurs to balance simply on the counter as well. You don't have to use the balancing block, which makes it a little bit more difficult when they're ready for it. I would highly recommend this as a toy for your child or a gift. It is compact, you can take it with you wherever you go, and it's also really nice to have these different colors that they can also learn from. It has smooth edges, and it is very original. It's a different toy that you don't see all the time, and I would highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.